Ready to elevate your golf cart's handling and ride quality? Meet the Ocelot P832 golf cart tire. Built for smooth cruising, reliable handling, and long-term reliability. Featuring a tubeless design and comprised of a 4-ply rated construction, the P832 offers the perfect mix of structural strength and durability. Its wide profile and flexible sidewalls act as a built-in buffer, soaking up small rocks and road imperfections for better shock absorption and a more comfortable ride. The non-directional pattern provides predictable handling along with easy tire rotation for even and extended wear. With a 7mm depth, the street-style tread has been optimized to deliver excellent grip and highly responsive steering on pavement and hard-packed trails. Integrated channels quickly clear away water and debris, keeping your traction consistent when the weather or terrain shifts. Beyond the grip, this smart layout minimizes road noise and rolling resistance, allowing your cart to maximize power and efficiency. While this golf cart tire excels on asphalt, its tread design is gentle enough to protect delicate turf, making it a truly versatile choice for just about any environment. If you're searching for a dependable upgrade that delivers a quiet, refined feel from the first tee to the driveway, the Ocelot P832 is ready to roll. Thanks for watching and ride safe.